On Tuesday, 30th November, staff of the Shillong Municipal Board, under the banner of the Shillong Municipal Employees Association, had met newspersons to inform about their protest against non-payment of salaries and arrears as per the 5th Pay Commission. The president of the Shillong Municipal Employees Association, S. Pangrop, informed that after the Apex Court had directed the board for payment of staff salary as per the 5th Pay Commission, staff members were paid their 2-month salary as per the set pay structure. However, during the months that followed, salary was stopped for 2 months and again followed by payment of their salaries as per the 4th Pay Commission, which is contempt of the Apex Court order. In view of this and also non-payment of arrears by the concerned authority, the employees of the municipal board had decided on a pen-down strike on 1st December 2021 that will be followed by an indefinite strike from the 2nd of December should the state government not pay heed to their demands.
Kansan nalapai Oktober kami kawai ke order ng government ba ki keep in abeyance ko pinsange suaya kani katulap jongi kabanging tip ai kata ti halor jong kani ngi thok biang kawai ke petition sa court ba ngiong ba balai ki pinsange kansan kidi ben siu no ya u benai Agos bat September namar ba ki ong ba ke sarkar kala file kata ke petition ban stay ya ke 50 jongi kabelngok ba kata bat karai ke pami juga ni meeting kolong bangin pelong ya ke pen down strike ban pensengo ya sarkar kini berkhoi bat ada kini ke pen down strike jungi kam seiso ngin pelong ya indefinite strike ka bakram sange atu bangin dayo ya ka iriar ke jungi bat kasau benai tulap ke jungi ke baraksa